What's up, family? We back. I know it's been a minute. We finally back. The season is coming in, spring that is. And today we got something special for the community. This plot of land right here is really overgrown. As you can see, it's a curb right here that's completely overgrown, covered up. So we're gonna knock it out. It's a lot of sticks and debris in here as well. We're gonna take care of that. And it goes all the way around, you know, so that's a good little stretch. And we're gonna blow this off so everybody can feel a little better around here. You know, every other neighbor got their lawn cut, manicured, so we just want to make sure we take care of this one as well. I'm sorry for the late video upload. As you all know, my equipment was stolen. I'm happy because we're finally able to get back out here, get back in the community, doing what we love. So as always, please subscribe, watch the whole entire video for these beautiful before and after transformation, and thanks for always rocking with me. All right, so in today's video, we'll be doing things a little bit different. And by different, I do mean extraordinary. Because as you all know, we did replace our stolen mower with the Toro 36 grandstand, but what you didn't know is that we added a new mower to the family. This right here is the all-new Luba 2 robotic lawnmower. Now this mower may be small, but I promise you, this mower is a beast. This grass is really thick that I'm putting it through. So this is the first test, the first impression, and the first overall review that I have done since receiving this mower. So check this out, because I'm finna switch the angle and I'm gonna show you some of this grass is actually taller than the mower, and it did not bog down, shut off, and it just kept chugging it. And you're gonna be able to see some stripes in there as well. So stay tuned. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I'm having way too much fun with this lawnmower right now. This kind of reminds me of when we was growing up and we would play with the RC cars. This is what this feels like. So even though I'm controlling this lawnmower with my phone, it does have the option for you to control it phone free, remote free, wireless, and without any assistance, using its very own RTK satellite, which comes included. I can definitely get used to one of these or a few of these in the future, you know, just pulling up to a client's property, putting a robot lawnmower down, and just driving to the other property and putting a mower down, having like a fleet of these. I can definitely see that in the future. Only thing I would suggest is a little security system, so nobody can't steal it or nothing. But it does weigh quite a bit of weight too as well, so I don't see nobody just picking it up and just running away with it. But at the end of the day, thieves are thieves. Always protect your investment, as I had to learn the hard way. And if you pay attention, you can kind of see some stripes that I'm laying down. Don't blame the mower. It's really me, because I'm a bad driver. I haven't owned an RC car in a long time, even though this is not an RC car, but I'm operating as such, and I'm not really good in straight lines. So yeah, I'm kind of wonky all over the place. But yeah, you can still see the mowing patterns, and it's looking pretty good. I do say so myself. But if you want to purchase a Luba for yourself or find out more info, I linked the website in my description below. So be sure to click on their website and check them out. I do see this being a game changer in the future. So let me know what you think in the comments below. All right, family, so as you see, that was my Luba 2 robotic lawnmower, and I think it did amazing. Like, look, you can still see those stripes back there and everything. Like, and this is tall grass. I mean, you can see it in the video that it is tall grass. It's handling it well. I adjusted the settings a little bit. The speed can go faster than what it was going, but I just wanted to make sure that I cut the grass evenly. And I just wanted to show y'all, in case y'all are in the market or never heard about the lawnmower. If you're a homeowner or you're a contractor, this is the future. So definitely check out that. I'll link their description below in the video. I also want y'all, give me y'all honest opinion in the comments below. Let me know what y'all think of it. Was you impressed? Was you amazed? Because I was. So as you'll see in the video, I was controlling it with my phone, but you do have the option to control it phone free. So you can just set the schedule, and it just mow the whole lawn by itself and everything like that. But if you want to find out more, go to their website. I'm gonna link it in the description below, and also check out Lon's Bay video when she do an in-depth personal review on the Luba and all the cool features that it can do. But right now, we finna get back to this overgrown cleanup. I just wanted to show y'all my new toy because I love it. And so let's finish this property up. All right, family. So we is finally done. But I do have to apologize because I did not take before pictures. I forgot it was a red Toyota. It kept circling around. I felt like it was following me. I don't know if I caught it on camera or not, but it was a red Toyota. It circled me 3 times. It stopped at that stop sign and it waited for 5 minutes. It did that both times. One time when I was mowing with the Luba, the robotic lawnmower, and the second time when I was on the grandstand. So, you know, my equipment just was stolen, so my head is on a swivel, I promise you. So please forgive me for not taking before pictures, but neither or less, this was a beautiful transformation. As always, thank you all for all the support, the love, the donations, the kind words, the advice, everything, man. It feels amazing to be back here, you know, doing back what we love and service in our community. As always, follow me on Instagram at Drake Lawn Care. Follow Diamond on Instagram at TheLawnBay. Subscribe to her YouTube channel as well, TheLawnBay. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. That's the best way to support what we do here. And look at that curb appeal, man. Look at it. Yeah. Awesome. So I ain't gonna talk y'all head off. Enjoy these before and after transformation, and I'll see you next time. Peace.